Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you the new digital files this week. And this week it is birds. So both of them are going to be available this week. We have two different files. We have the 2-inch files and we have what we call the punchable ones, but you can also cut them out. But we'll get to those in a minute. So we have the standing bird and we made it so that they're facing one way and the other. So then depending where your cluster is on your page, you can use the bird. And then this one is face on. So let's go through all of the different colors. There are basic colors. So bright orange, blue, brown, and then we have colorless, because if you buy the whole bundle, you get the colorless for free. And right now everything is still 50% off. Then we have dark gray, we have green, we have a light gray, we have mint. This is an exclusive color for my patrons. Then we have more yellow. This is a new color, newish. This is orange. And this is peach, and this is pink, red, purple, turquoise, and yellow. Now, whenever he makes, shapes, I tell him to make sure to make it so they're easy-ish to cut. So when I was cutting them, I just come and leave a little white border all the way around, and they're not that hard to cut apart at all. Now these ones here, I don't have my punches because I've already packed them for my crop that I'm going to, but you can use a 1.5-inch punch at the top, and then a 1.25-inch punch in the middle, and a 1-inch punch at the bottom, and they will all fit within the punch. So you have the bright orange, you have the blue, or you can also, cut them, fussy cut them. Then you have brown. And again, he did it so that, these ones here, you have 3 of each that are going the different ways, and even in the smaller size. And then you have the colorless, which is free when you purchase a bundle. Then you have dark gray. Then you have green. Then you have light gray. Then you have mint, more yellow, orange, peach, pink, purple, red, turquoise, and yellow. So that's it. There's 2 different bundles here. There's the bundles of the punchables, if you will, and then the 2-inch size. But that's it. That is all the new digital prints that are available in our shop this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.